How to add or remove free shipping on TikTok Shop. Hey guys, in this video we'll teach you where you'll be able to add a free shipping discount here on your TikTok Shop. Simply log in into your TikTok Seller Center, and here on the left side panel on the screen, simply navigate through promotion and click on promotional tools. This is where you'll be able to find the free shipping option and other discounts that you can use for your TikTok Shop. Just to inform you, my account is still in probation. And as you can see as I scroll down, and for the shipping fee discount, it's currently unavailable on my end since it actually requires your account to be after for it. You'll only be able to use the shipping fee discount once you are already out of the probation period. And once you're done, if you want to create and add a promotional discount for free shipping, simply click on create and you will have the option and how much discount you will offer. Is it 100% or just 50%, depending on what you would like to offer in your TikTok shop. And that's basically it. That's where you'll be able to add and remove a free shipping discount here on TikTok shop. And that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.